Everyone is talking about AI right now. Tools that can write essays, answer questions, write code, even hold full conversations. And at the center of it all is ChatGPT. But here's the strange part. ChatGPT doesn't actually think. It doesn't understand the world the way humans do. So how can it answer complex questions, explain difficult topics, and sometimes even sound smarter than humans? To understand that, we need to look at what's really happening behind the screen. But before we dive in, if you enjoy simple explanations of the technology you use every day, subscribe. Because on this channel we break down complex tech and make it finally make sense. 2. The illusion of intelligence. When you type a question into ChatGPT, it feels like you're talking to an intelligent assistant. You ask something like, "Why is the sky blue?" And instantly, you get a detailed explanation. It feels like the AI understood your question, thought about it, and then answered. But that's not what's actually happening. Behind the scenes, something much more mechanical is going on. ChatGPT is not thinking. It is predicting. 3. The core idea, predicting words. At its core, ChatGPT is a word prediction engine, similar to the autocomplete feature on your phone. When you start typing a message, your keyboard suggests the next word. For example, "I will see you." Your phone might suggest "tomorrow," because it has learned that those words often appear together. ChatGPT works on the same principle, but at a massive scale. Instead of predicting one word, it predicts thousands of words in sequence to build full sentences and paragraphs. 4. The training phase. But where does ChatGPT learn these patterns? The answer is training data. AI models are trained on enormous amounts of text, books, articles, websites, scientific papers, online discussions, millions, sometimes billions of sentences. During training, the AI reads these texts and learns patterns like which words often appear together, how sentences are structured, how ideas are explained. Over time, it builds a statistical understanding of language, not meaning, but probability. 5. Neural networks. To process all this information, ChatGPT uses something called a neural network. Neural networks are loosely inspired by the human brain. Instead of biological neurons, they use artificial nodes connected in layers. Each layer processes information, then passes it forward to the next layer. By the time the data reaches the final layer, the AI produces a prediction. In this case, the next most likely word. 6. Transformers.